ditch. There we go. Don't feel like climbing. I think it's a path. Or have I got to jump? Oh no, it's a path. And there's a great view over here. We'll have a look. Show you that after. I've not been in this building. It's terrible, I forget the name. I'm not great with names. Mussenden Temple, if I pronounce it correctly. That's it. Right, might have this to ourselves. Gonna go in before more people arrive. There's crows up there. Oh, there's a gate, but I think I can go through the window. There's a gate just open. No one's here. Wow, oh, there's two people down there. Cool. I've no clue about the history of this place. I have to look it up. Hiya, you're right. It reminds me of something out of Return to Oz. It's a great great movie in the 80s, a sequel to Wizard of Oz, very dark. I was a kid, my dad had to take me out to the cinema. I was crying at the rock monster. I think you know what I'm talking about. The rock monster at the end. So yeah, I've been watching a lot of travel bloggers, big fans of the big guys, so I thought I'd start talking a bit to camera. Feel like a knob doing it, but well, hey. Shout out to Bull Bankrupt, Harold Balder. I like those two. Danger, keep out. Ah, drop. Ah, I've got to go back on myself. Is the drop down here too high? Ah, I don't fancy breaking an ankle. So yeah, Northern Ireland in the summer when you've got the weather, one of the best countries you can visit. Amazing nature, best beaches in the world. Well, some of the best beaches in the world. And everywhere you go, there's magical gems like this. Really good nature spots as well. You're going to see a great view, probably in a different video because, well, I'm 5 minutes. think up here is the same. A little bit different, feels older brickwork. But yeah, I'm gonna have to look this up, the history of Mussenden Temple. I haven't even read a sign yet, I've not seen one. That's Port Stewart that way, another great beach. You can walk all along that, it's fantastic. You can drive on it if you wish, gets very busy in the summer. Port Stewart and Port Rush, fun, nice towns. This is good. That was good. Got a tiny bit of a private tour. There's more people arriving now.